Living in the towers, you really pick up on the cool buzz in the place. Being smack bang in the middle of campus, you get the feeling that it's the heart and soul of the university. Living with 16 others, you're never short on people to hang out with. And it's amazing just how many friends you make in such little time. It's awesome to roll out of bed in the morning and be so close to my morning lectures. Having everything you need on your doorstep is just a massive bonus. If someone is looking for accommodation that's budget friendly, central and sociable, then I definitely recommend the Towers.